Hello and welcome to this interesting class. In today's class, we'll be talking about factorization in polynomials. Now, this is our 33rd question in the UTME. You are told to factorize, right? You are told to factorize. How should you factorize? How would you factorize if you are given this kind of question? Now, if you look at this question critically, look at it very well, you remember that it looks like this perfect square. A square, right, minus 2ab plus b square, right? It looks like this. A square, which is k square, minus this is 2, a, that is the k, b, which is the p, plus, which is this, then b, which is the p square, right? So this is still equal to this. It's a perfect square. We'll call it a perfect square, which is equal to a minus b all squared. Now, if I want to confirm this, I can still confirm it because this is a minus b all squared. I can confirm it by opening the bracket, right? We know that anything squared means multiplying that thing 2 times, right? That thing multiplying itself 2 times. Now, please, this is a minus b. A minus b all squared is something as a minus b multiplied by a minus b. So if I'm to open this bracket, I'll still arrive at this answer. I'll just do it so that we confirm that this is correct, actually. A times a will give us a square. A times minus b will give us minus ab. Minus b times a will give us minus ab. Minus times minus will give us plus. B times b will give us b square. This will be equal to a square minus ab will give us minus 2ab plus b square. You can see that it gives us the same thing, right? Now, comparing it to this place, you can say that here a is equal to what? Here a is equal to k. And then b is equal to what? B is equal to p, right? Since a is equal to k and then b is equal to p, which means that this question, k square minus 2kp plus p square is equal to, you open a bracket, since a is equal to k, I'll put k, minus, and then b is equal to p, I'll put p all squared. This is the answer, right? This is the final answer. I can still write it as this: k minus p, k minus p. So depending on the one that you see in the option. So if you see this and this, they are still the same thing. Now, I believe you enjoyed this class. If you enjoyed this class, please give us a share and also like this video. Thank you.
Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Thank you.